Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now for those persons who want to get the latest in laptop repair tips and of course maintenance tips, then this is the YouTube channel for you. Now for today's episode, I'm going to show you how to properly diagnose power or electrical problem for a HP Stream notebook. Now this one, the customer is saying that it is not powering on. Now what I realize is that when I press the power button, I'm only getting a light. It's the power button just simply flash once, and that's it. So I would have already tested the charger. The charger is working properly, so I'm gonna plug in the charger just to ensure that it is not the battery that is run down. So press the power button once again, still just the power button just light up, and that's it. Now the first thing I would do, if it was one of those laptop where I could remove the battery, I would just simply remove the battery and drain the motherboard in terms of the electricity. So definitely guys, that's one option, or that would be the first option for me. So I just simply need to open this laptop. I'm gonna have to open the laptop and remove the battery or disconnect the battery from the motherboard, and then basically drain it. So that's the first thing I'm gonna actually do. In the next video, I will be definitely doing a part 2 video to this. So in that video, I'll be definitely pulling this notebook apart. So if that is not the problem, then the next thing is, so of course, run it straight from electricity. That simply means I would definitely disconnect the battery again and plug in the charger and see if I get it up and running. If that does not work, then definitely it is some electrical problem with the motherboard itself. So as you can see, it is one of 3 things. So as I said, this video, there will be a part 2 video to it, and in the part 2 video, that's when you'll be seeing me pulling this notebook apart. So that's it for part 1, just giving you an idea as to what is the problem, or what might be the problem in terms of this HP Stream notebook not coming up. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.